Hi, lovely morning to all of you. This is Papiya Miss and you are watching the online class of Autumnal Multimedia School. Welcome back to the science class. Students, in my previous class, I discussed about the cause of change of season. And in today's class, I will show you how to draw the figure of season change. For that, first of all, I'll share one thing to all of you, that is, we can draw the figure in two ways, number 1 and number 2. What is number 1 and what is number 2 and what is the basic difference between these two? There is no basic difference, only simple one. What is this? That means in case of number 1, we will take the measurement, we will use some equipments, and in case of number 2, we will not use any type of measurement. This is free hand drawing, right? First one. It sounds that it is very hard. Not like this. First one is also very easy. How? You should draw only one plus sign. Only one plus sign. And the measurement of this plus sign is 11 cm. The horizontal line should be 11 cm and the vertical line should be 7 cm. Why 7 cm and 11 cm? Because in your answer script, you should keep some space on the 4 corners. That's why I am taking 11 cm and 7 cm. Can you say, students, what is the midpoint of 11 cm? That means the half of the 11. It is half of the 11 means 5.5, and half of the 7 means 3.5. So first of all, you should know how to draw this. I am taking 11. For your better understanding, I am taking double. You don't need to draw the lines. You just only put the points. First of all, you put a point in the 0, and after that, as it is 11, so what is the midpoint? It is 5.5. I am taking 5.5. Look, I am not drawing the line. I am just only taking the points. After that, another 5.5. Is it okay? Next, 3.5. From the midpoint, 3.5. This is 3.5 and also 3.5. That's enough. And it was 5.5. After 5.5, just put it in the 7.5. Okay. And where is the another line? It is just here. Okay. Now it is becoming very easy to us. How? We don't need now this point because we have taken this for this point, and this is the point of the sun. You have to draw a sun. What is this? This is the sun. And in this point, you can draw a round figure with your compass. I am drawing a round figure. Okay. Quite easy. Right, students? What should do? Now, you have to imagine about a clock, about a wall clock. This is, suppose, our wall clock. This is the position of 12. This is 6, 3 and 9. Now, you have to draw a line from 1. This is 1 and this is 7. 1 to 7 and 11 to 5. I am drawing like this. 1 to 7 and from 11 to what? From 11 to 5. Here also 1 to 7, 11 to 5. 1 to 7 approx. 11 to 5. Okay? Now draw some lines. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, students? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can draw this line with your compass. Now another one. This was our 12th position and this was our 6th position. Draw another line from 12 to 6, and in this case also from 12 to 6. Now with your pencil make a shade. I am giving dots in this line. You can give shades. After that, you should always mention about the figure. You can write like this: figure, season change, season change. And write here 21st June, 23rd September, 22nd December, and 21st March. Okay, and you can draw this line and this line also. This is the length of the sun and the earth. On the 21st June, the length of the sun and the earth is 15.21 crore kilometer, and this is 14.71 crore kilometer. And right here the summer solstice, summer solstice, and this is the winter solstice, winter solstice. This is known as autumnal equinox. What is the meaning of equinox? Can you see, students? Equi means equal and nox means night. On the 23rd September, the day and night is equal in the both hemisphere. That means the northern hemisphere and also the southern hemisphere. Okay, and this is known as vernal equinox. Vernal, N-A-L, equinox. Summer solstice, winter solstice, and this is autumnal equinox, vernal equinox. Summer solstice, for the primary class you can write summer solstice in the northern hemisphere or north pole, the north pole. Winter solstice in the north pole. This figure is for the primary students, and for 7, 8 and 9 students you can write something more, the measurement of the degrees. That means the sun rays shine vertically in the Tropic of Cancer. So it is 90 degree, this figure from this for the junior students, and before this it was for the primary students. 90 degree, 66 and half and 43 degree. This is also this should be 90 degree and 66 and half degree, also 66 and half degree, and 90 degree. Here this is 90 degree. Why should I write this is 66 and half, this is 43 degree, and this one is the 90 degree. I am writing here 90 degree, and in this case this is 90 degree, 66 and half degree and 66 and half degree. Okay students, and in Bengali it is known as Korkot Sankranti, that means 21st June. Korkot Sankranti. Why? Because the sun shines vertically in the Korkot Kranti or the Tropic of Cancer. That means in Bengali if I say Korkot Kranti rekhate ওই দিন সূর্য লম্বভাবে কিরণ দেয়, so it is কর্কট সংক্রান্তি. Okay students, this is জল বিষুব, জল বিষুব. মকর সংক্রান্তি, that means সূর্য ওই দিন মকর ক্রান্তি রেখাতে লম্বভাবে কিরণ দেয়, and this is vernal equinox means মহাবিষুব, মহাবিষুব, that means the spring. Okay, this is summer in the northern pole, autumn in the northern pole, after that winter in the northern pole, and after that spring in the northern pole. So we should write here autumn, A-U-T-U-M-N, and here spring, and here spring and autumn. Right students, this was about the drawing of the change of season, and if you have 10 minutes on your hands, then you should write this with scales. But in the exam, if you have a little time but you are eager to draw this figure, so what should do in a short time? Now I will show you how to draw this in a short time. Right students, I am erasing this. Just take an imaginary line and take point 1, 2, 3, erase this, and 4. Draw like this very quickly. I am showing this. When you have a little time on your hand, then what should you do? Very quickly draw like this and cross like structure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just think how many time you are needed, and after that only in these two positions you draw 2 lines from 12 to 6. Now it is finished. Dot 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 and also dot dot. Again 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very quickly I am writing, and you can draw like this. Quite finished. Okay. (21st June), 23rd September, 22 December, and 21st March. And draw the sun here. 15.21 crore kilometer, and 14.71 crore kilometer. Okay, this is known as the, do you know the name of the distance? It is known as aphelion. Aphelion, that means Onu Shur, and this is Onu Shur, and this is perihelion. Perihelion, that means the opposite. I am writing quite quickly. Now this figure is more or less completed, and you just write here the autumn, AUTUMN, and this is spring. This is spring, and this one is autumn, summer, winter, season change. So students, this was all about the drawing process of the season change. So I think it is quite clear to all of you. If you have any problem, write in the comment section or watch the video again and again. Okay students, stay immune, stay connected. See you later.